Alright everyone, welcome to the Secret Chipmunk. Today we're just going to go over a quick EDC overview. And we're going to start with the fun stuff that everyone seems interested in. Start with firearm. Carrying a Smith & Wesson 442 in a Tolster Wrath holster with the Discreet Carry Concepts clip, Hogue monoblock grip, and it is loaded right now with Hornady 90 grain critical defense light. For knives, the two I've been rotating through the most right now is the Okaso Knives Solstice and the Neves Knives Offender. I've had the Offender longer. It's probably my favorite knife. Just picked up the Solstice a week or two ago, and I love that blue lightning strike titanium on it. Just a real nice, slim, gentleman style knife with deep carry clip, liner lock, frame lock. For watches, most of the time I am wearing a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 on their silicone NATO strap, but there's times with my job where I cannot have any devices on me, and so for that I will go with the Shinola Rockwell, I forget which, made in Detroit, and this one was made on my birthday and given to me by my wife. Flashlight, like Arcfield with Pro, so the normal light, the laser, then UV. I like this for work, for presenting. Then when I travel, go to hotel rooms, checking the floors on hotel rooms, then always giving you a normal light. I don't love two-way pocket clips, and as you can see, I've bent this one a lot. I find that car seat belts catch on that and yank it out of my pocket. Pen, I carry Regiment Blades tactical pen. This side is a tungsten carbide glass breaker. Unscrew it, screw the other side. Normal pen you can write with, and its shape is very similar to the Benchmade SOCOM knives. So ring, blunt impact tool. Sticking with the Samsung theme, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Normally I will keep these in my bag though, and not actually have them on my person. So we'll set those off to the side. Keys, car keys, half key covered in tape for the video. The key for Smith & Wesson's with the lock. And then the Victorinox nail clip 580. It's probably my favorite little keychain Swiss Army knife, just for pure grooming practicality. Nail clippers, file, little tiny knife, tweezers, toothpick, and then the scissors are serrated grooming scissors. Don't know if it's gonna focus up, but they're not the normal scissors. And that is clipped on with a Prometheus Lights quick detach clip. Wallet is the Rustic Heirloom Hitchhiker, and this was the Best Damn EDC exclusive. So, little leather strap, pull back, put your cash back there, have your cards in here. Next up is some form of nicotine. When I'm at the office, use pouches because I can't vape in the office. And then other times, I'm just rocking a vape. Sunglasses. These are a pair of prescription aviator clones from Zenny Optical. They're cheap. They're not name brand, but getting prescription name brand sunglasses is more than this gun. Kindle. I read a bunch. This is my Kindle Paperwhite. This thing has been around the world. It's been blown up, thrown around, shoved in between my body armor plates and my chest, going out on patrols. A little wear and tear. Never used a case on any Kindle I've owned, and I've never broken one. Just replace them when they start to get outdated and old. Normally going to be wearing some sort of hat. This is a Tommy Bahama mesh back that I got at TJ Maxx for like $5. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just a hat. And then for shoes, I'm generally going with Lem's Boulder boots. And these are a zero drop barefoot shoe. Very, very thin leather, very lightweight and flexible. And I'll either wear these, cowboy boots, or if I'm feeling lazy and just out in the yard, I'll wear a pair of Hey Dudes. And you can see I end up wearing these a lot because they're real beat up and nasty looking. And that is it for my on-body EDC. Later I'll do a video of my work bag EDC bag, so if there's stuff you think might be missing, it will either be included in that video, or I just don't carry it and I'm open to suggestions. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.